This is the second of 4 videos showing how the statistical package Tinkerplots might be used to explore this Ulster Rugby dataset. Question 4 is, what is the overall age distribution of the squad? Now this question isn't just about the very oldest and the very youngest players, but it's asking about the overall pattern of ages across the entire range. To answer this sort of question, it's useful to create a picture of the data. So I'll open up a plot from here, click there, and then expand the window. There are 47 dots on the plot. Each dot represents a different player in the squad. If I click on a dot, say that one, that player's card is displayed. That's Peter Brown. Let's try that one. That's Rory Best. Try one over here. That one is Roger Wilson, and so on. If I go back up to the table and select this date of birth year column, I can drag it down onto the plot, and I'm dragging it down onto the horizontal axis and release. And now the data are arranged by year of birth, from the oldest on the left to the youngest on the right. At the moment it's in 2 groups, but I can change the scale by taking any one of the dots and dragging it to the right. So now it's in 4-year intervals. If I keep going, there we are. It's now arranged in individual years. At the top of the screen, I can click this button, stack cases vertically, and you can see that it has indeed stacked the cases vertically. And now you'll see some interesting patterns. If I choose the, here we are, the pen, these players are the big name players, but these players are also coming towards the end of their careers. The future of the club will be all about these players in their early and mid-20s. These will be the stars of tomorrow, and for the club to be successful over the long term, it needs to find the right balance between these 2 groups. And now for a bit of trivia. Question 5. What's the most popular birthday month? Here I need this column, date of birth, month. And again I'll drag that header onto the horizontal axis and release. The dots are already stacked vertically, and it's pretty clear that month 10, that's October, is the big birthday month. I can put on a horizontal reference line, that's clicking this one, and if I drag it down so that it's just at the top of that column, it makes it easier to read the vertical scale. And it shows that there are 9 dots in this column, so there are 9 players with a birthday in October. And what about the least popular month for birthdays? Well, January here, and month 7, that's July, and month 11, that's November, are pretty sparse. Just 2 birthdays in each of those months. But hang on a minute, there doesn't seem to be a column for month 12. Is it really the case that nobody in the squad has a birthday in December? Let's check that from the table. If I go back to this column, right click and sort by rows descending this time, in descending order. Now the largest numbers are at the top. Scroll to the top, and indeed 11 is the largest number in the column. There are no 12s, which confirms that nobody in the squad has a birthday in December.